Okay, so we need a truth table and excitation table for flip-flop conversion here. Okay, we'll see that. Right, so take down this problem. So convert JK flip-flop to D flip-flop. Okay, so what we need is the JK flip-flop and should be converted to D flip-flop. So the JK flip-flop is converted to D flip-flop. Okay, so here, so first of all, what we need here. So we'll take this. So instead of JK, so convert JK flip-flop to T flip-flop. This one. So take down this problem. So take down this problem. JK flip-flop to T flip-flop. So if I want convert JK flip-flop to T flip-flop, so we need to know the truth table of T flip-flop. So which is to be converted. Okay, so we need to know the truth table of T flip-flop, and we need to know the excitation table of the JK flip-flop. Okay, and combine this truth table and excitation table in the third step, and we'll explain. We'll get the Boolean functions for J and K. Okay, and the last step is obtaining the Boolean functions for J and K. So J will be in terms of uh, T and Q and bar here. So we'll replace that. So by replacing that, so we can get the conversion here. Okay, the first step is, so what we have to do in the first step is, so wait a minute. So the problem is convert JK flip flop to T flip flop. Okay, step one is like, so truth table of T flip flop. Okay, so take truth table of T flip flop. Step 2, excitation table of JK flip flop. And step 3, we have to combine these three. Combine truth table and excitation table of T and JK. Okay. Derive equations for J and K in terms of T and Q. Okay, so that is what we have to do here. So first of all, we have to draw the truth table of T flip flop. Okay, so truth table of T flip flop. So what we need here is, so the elaborated truth table. Okay, so what we need here is the elaborated truth table. So this is like, so we need the T, Qn and these three. So the elaborated truth table. So I told you the elaborated version of the truth table here. So T Q of n, and based on this we have to write the values of Q of n plus 1. Okay, so I told you the simple truth table, but I need the elaborated one here. Okay, so T Q of n 0, 0, 1, so 1, 0, and 1, 1. So this is the Q of n. So tell me the value of Q of n plus 1. Tell me the values of q of n plus 1.
0,
It's a 0.
1,
1,
T
1,
value is it's
0, 0.
present 0. Okay. So this is the truth table here. So truth table of P flip-flop. This is the first step we had to do. Okay. Next, what we had to do here is, so we need the excitation table of JK flip-flop. Okay. So excitation table of JK flip-flop చెప్పండి ఒకసారి నాకు. So JK flip-flop excitation table is this one. So JK flip-flop excitation table. So Q of n, Q of n plus 1, and we need the values of J and K. Okay, so JK values. So it's 0, 0, 0, 1, so 1, 0, 1, 1. So what are these values here? So tell me the excitation table values here. So check the values and
0,
tell.
0,
0, 1,
don't care,
0
1,
don't care. 1,
1, don't care.
1 don't care.
Don't care, 1.
1,
Don't care, 0.
0. Okay. So this is the excitation table of JK flip-flop. What we know here. Okay. So 1 minute. Long. Madam Chapan. Yeah, sorry. So this is the excitation table of JK flip-flop. This is the truth table of T flip-flop here. Okay, so what we had to do here is we had to compare this one. So I told you to combine, right? So check the values of Qn and Qn plus 1. Okay, so I need the values of J and K right now. So for this excitation table, so for this Qn and Qn of Q of n plus 1. Okay, so here we have Q of n and Q of n plus 1 here. Okay, so Q of n, Q of n plus 1. So what I need here is, so we have to check the excitation table and we have to put the values of J and K here. Okay, so Q of n is 0 and Q of n plus 1 is 0 here. So what is the values of J and K here?
0 and don't care.
0 and don't care.
0 don't care. And here 1 and 1. So for 1, 1, the values are don't care.
0.
Don't care, 0.
And 0, 1, the values are 0, 1, the
1
values of,
don't care.
okay, so 1, 0, the values are don't care 1.
Don't care 1.
Okay, so this is the table which is used for the conversion process. Okay, now find the values of j and find the values of k with the help of k maps here. Okay, so k map is like, so we have 4 values. Okay, so this is t and this is q of n, this is 0, 1 and this is 0, 1. Okay, so tell me the values of j. It is 0, don't care, so 1, don't care, yes or no? Okay, so 0 don't care, so 1 and don't care. So what is the value I'll get here? So this is the value for j here, for j. So j will be equal to, so this is t. Okay, so tq of n, and this is the value I'm extracting for j, so I can take this as this one and this one. Okay, so j is equal to t, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, and we don't need to group two don't cares here, so only j is equal to t here. Okay, so next for k, so for k values, so this is t and this is q of n, this is 0, 1, 0, 1, and don't care 0, don't care 1. Okay, so this is also equal to, so k is also equal to t. Okay, k is also equal to t, so we got j is equal to t and k is equal to t here. Okay, so clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, now the diagrams will be like this. So so here we'll be having jk flip flop, so jk and a clock here, so we can mention the clock or it's fine. So what I need here is, so j should be in terms of t and k also t here, so I can tie this j and k here. So j and k inputs are tied together. Okay, so and this will be j and this will be k and this will be q and this will be q bar. So that will be the conversion diagram here. So j and k are tied and both of them are equal to t here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, so this is the thing here. So first of all we need a truth table of this one, the flip flop to be converted. Okay, and truth table of the original one, so excitation table of this one. Okay, so afterwards find the equations for j in terms of t. So j is equal to t here and k is equal to t, and so here j is equal to k is equal to t here. Okay, and we have q and q bar here. So this will be the diagram, conversion diagram. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
yeah. So next what we can do here is next case. So we'll go for a D to T flip flop. So we'll do this. We are clear with this conversion, right? Okay, so convert D flip flop to D flip flop. Sorry, T flip flop. Okay, so first of all, truth table of the T flip flop. So T Q of n. Okay, next Q of n plus 1. Okay, so there is a first step here. D to T flip flop 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and you know the values of q of n plus 1. So q of n plus 1 is when t is equal to 0, so it is a value of
1,
q of n and it is a complement value. So 1 0,
0.
and we need the excitation table of d flip flop here. So for d flip flop you know the excitation table, so it is like q of n, q of n plus 1. Okay, and a d. So 0 0 0 1, so 1 0 1 1. So whatever the values of q of n here, so q of n plus 1 is equal to d and d is equal to q of n plus 1. So 0 1 0 1. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I need the values of d here. So d is equal to, so it is nothing but the values of q of n plus 1. Okay, it is 0, okay, and 1 1 0. So just q of n plus 1, right? So 0 to 0 in a, you can check here, 0 to 1. So 1 to 1 is 1, and 0 to 1 is again 1, and 1 to 0, it's a 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now draw the k map here for d. So only d. We have only d input here. Okay. Like this is t. It is q of n 0 1 0 1. Okay. And q of n plus d values are 0 1 1 0. Okay. So two individual values. Okay, two individual values, and this value is, so what is this value? So d is equal to, so t bar qn plus, what is this value? tqn bar. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so d is equal to t exclusive or of q of n. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So I need to convert d flip flop to t flip flop. So I'll be having a single input d here, and this is q of n, and this is q of n bar. Okay. So what I need exclusive OR gate here. So I need exclusive OR gate. Yeah, I'll be using exclusive OR gate. Okay. And what I need, this t exclusive OR of qn. So I'll be having one of the inputs as t here. Okay, so one of the input as t, and the other input will be q of n. Okay, this is t, and the input is like t exclusive or of t exclusive or of q of n. This will be the diagram, and I will be having a clock here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Take down the diagram. So this will be the diagram also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and the next one. Take down the next one. So we are done with JK to T and D to T. So we'll convert JK to D flip flop. Okay. So the problem is convert JK to D flip flop. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do?
Truth table for D flip.
Truth table for
D
D
flip
flip
flop.
flop. So D flip flop truth table is DQ of n, the Q of n plus 1. Okay. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 0 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so q of n is like, so what is the value of q of n plus 1?
0.
0 1 0 1.
Zero one. Why 01?
0011, sir.
0011.
Yeah, 0011 because Q of n plus 1 is equal to D, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the values of D? So we'll get those values here. Okay. So that is the thing here. And next, what we need the excitation table of JK flip flop now. Okay, we need the excitation table of the JK flip flop. So J, K. Okay. So first of all, first you write the excitation tables here. Okay. So that is Q of n, Q of n plus 1, and we'll be having J and K. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so tell me the values here. So what are the values of JK? So JK value is, so if you remember, it's fine, or else I draw the truth table and you can analyze that. So 0 don't care, huh?
Yes, sir.
0 don't care,
1 okay.
1 don't care. So actually I don't remember these things, but with the help of truth table, I'll analyze that. But you remember. Okay, so next one.
Don't care
care
1.
1.
Don't care 1
Don't care
and
0.
Don't care 0.
don't care 0. Okay, now tell me the values of J and K here. So tell me the values of J and K. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, so what are the values of J and K here? So 0, 0. 0, 0 is 0,
Don't care.
don't care. And next we'll be having a 1, 0. So 1, 0, don't care.
1.
1. And
1.
so 1, 0, 1, it's 1, don't care.
1 don't care.
Yeah.
Don't
And
care 0.
don't care.
0.
Yeah. So now find the equations for J and K. Okay. So this is for D and Qn, and for J here. Okay. So this is 0, 1. This is 0, 1. And for J it is 0, don't care. 1 don't care. Okay. So we'll get a value of J is equal to D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the next value? So what is the next value? So we'll be having for K here. So this is D Q of n 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is the value of K here. So don't care 1. So don't care 0. So this is this value. So K is equal to D bar. Okay. So K is equal to D bar here. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
So the diagram is like, so this one. So we need to convert JK to D flip flop. So the inputs are J here. This is K, and we'll be having a clock here. Okay, this is Q, and this is Q bar. Okay, so J will be D here, and K will be inversion of D. So we'll be using an inverter here. So that will be given to K here. Okay. Fine. So J will be equal to D and K will be equal to D bar. So D bar I'll be using an inverter here. Okay. Shall I go to another conversion?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So convert SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. SR flip-flop to B flip-flop. Okay, so two table of D flip-flop first. So D, Q of N, Q of N plus 1. So 0, 1, 0. Okay, so Q of N plus 1 is like, it is equal to D. So 0, 0,
1, 1.
1, 1. Okay, so now write the excitation table of SR flip-flop. Excitation table of SR flip-flop. So like, so Q of N plus 1. So 0, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1. So excitation table, so which includes the values of S and R. Okay, so SR, so what are the values of SR? So 0, 0 aithe. What are the values?
0, don't care.
0, it's 0, 1, don't care. Next, 0, 1,
1, 0, 0.
1,
it's
0.
1, 0. And for 1 minute. For 1, 0, it's a 0, 1.
0, 1.
Don't care.
So
Don't care
for
0.
Don't care,
don't
0.
yeah, so don't care 0. Okay, so now the value, write the values of S and R here. S and R. So based on this excitation table. Okay, so what is the value of 0, 0 nappudu? It's a 0, sorry, 0, don't care. And 1, 0 nappudu? It's a 0, 1.
0, 1.
And a 0 nappudu 1, 0. And 1, 1 nappudu don't care 0.
Don't care.
Okay, so this is the conversion table here. So we need the equations for S and R here. Okay, so S in terms of D, Q, N, and this is like this. Okay, and 0, 0, 1, don't care. Okay, this is 0, 1, this is 0, 1. I'll group these two. So hence S is equal to D. Okay, S is equal to D here. Yes or no? Okay, so next we'll go for the next one. This is for R here. So R is equal to, so this is Q, sorry, D and Q of N 0, 1, 0, 1. What are the values of R? Don't care 1, 0, 0. So I'll get a D bar here. Okay, so R is equal to D bar. Okay, just the similarities are same here. So you know, for a JK flip-flop also we got the same values. Okay, so here this is D, this is for S, and inverter is used here. So this is for R, and this is Q, and this is Q bar, that is, and we'll be using a clock here. Here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I've taken the diagram.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
So next, what we'll do here is we'll go for SR2 JK flip flop. So it is a lengthier one. Okay. So SR2 JK flip flop. So we'll be having the input like S, R, q of n. Okay, so 3 combinations, so we will get 8 possible combinations here. 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. So 1 0. So 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, and the values of q of n plus 1. Q of n plus 1. This is the truth table, right? So truth table unnappudu. So what are the values here? So 0 0 unnappudu it is a q of n. So hence it is 0. మీరు చెప్పండి 0 1. So what are these values when SR values are 1 0 1? So what are the values? So what is the output?
0, sir.
0, sir.
So for this one,
0, sir.
so elaborate a truth table. I told you, right? So we'll check the values of S and R. S and R is equal to 0 is the Q of n. So Q of n ఏదైతే అది SR 0 1 అయితే it's a 0 irrespective of the value of Q of n. Next 1 0 అయితే 1 1. Okay. 1 minute. Sorry, we had done a mistake here. So a mistake చెప్పండి. No.
JK flip flop, sir. Truth.
JK flip flop కి
ఏదండి మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు? Who is this? Class అయిపోవట్లే నేను. Don't do all such kind of bullshit things here. So Purushottam and Balaji. Over smart act చేయొద్దు. Okay. So SR to JK. So first of all, I write to JK values here. So not this values. Okay. So everything is same, but here the loss case is probably case. So here we'll get a 1, and here I'll get a 0. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, and write the excitation table of JK flip flop. I mean SR flip flop here. So Q of T plus 1. Okay, and we'll be having sorry S and R values. Okay, so 0 0 0 1. So 1 0 1 1. Okay, so what are the SR values here? So SR values are 0, don't care, 0 1, so 1 0. Okay, and 1 0 it's a 0 1. Okay, it's a don't care 0. Okay, so tell me the values of S and R here. Tell me the values of S and R. Okay, so Q of n plus 1 is 0 0 అయితే, so we'll get a
0, don't care.
Okay, and next 1 1 అయితే don't care 0, and 0 0 it's a 0 don't care. Okay, and 1 0 అయితే 0 1,
0, 1,
and 0 1 అయితే
1, 0.
1 0.
0, and
Don't
1
care 0.
1 1 అయితే ఇట్స్ డోంట్ కేర్ 0
0
0 1 అయితే
1 0
0 1 it's a 1 0
0 0
0 1. Okay, so now find the equations for S and R. Okay, so find the equations for S and R. So we'll get like this. So S is equal to, so we'll get J cube R n. Okay, so we check that, and R is equal to K Q n. Okay, so we'll do that. So we'll see that in next class. The conversion is like this. Okay, so మీరు అది సాల్వ్ చేయండి, లేకుంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చూద్దాం. Right, so that's some work. I'm leaving right now. Right, so we'll see that tomorrow. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So remain conversions also you do that. We'll see that next class. Yeah, thank you.